Hi, class. Today we're going to be creating a small flattened pinch pot, and we're going to base it off the shape of a real leaf that we're going to press into the clay to create an impression. So, the first thing you're going to need if you don't have one is a leaf. Um, it's better if you find them outside when they're somewhat fresh, they're a little more resilient and peel up a little easier. Make sure you grab a little stem on there, makes it easier to pull up the leaf after you press it into the clay. So, same thing, you're going to start off with a ball of clay about golf ball size, depending on your leaf shape. If you have a bigger leaf, you might need a little bigger than a golf ball. If you have a smaller leaf, you could do a little bit smaller. All right, so make sure your shape is somewhat proportional to what you're going to need for your leaf. And we're going to start off, after we have our ball shape, we're going to start off by pushing down with our palm, flipping it over, pushing down, and we're trying to create a somewhat symmetrical slab. And we're going to keep pushing until we get it down to about a 1/4 inch thickness for our slab. And there's two things that are happening here. As you're flattening, you're going to feel and push on the thicker parts and getting it to flat, but at the same time, you're drying the clay a little by contact with your skin, which is good for what we're going to do today. You don't want your clay to be too moist or have water on it because the leaf will tend to stick. All right, so I have my slab. It's a little on the thick side, but around. You don't want it any skinnier than your screwdriver or a needle tool. All right. And you can check it with the leaf that you want to use, making sure you have enough space. I see, oh, not quite. So I'm going to go a little bit further. A bit of trivia. Can you tell me what leaf shape is this? You know what tree creates this leaf shape? Or this one? So this one right here is a fig leaf. All right. So let's check it again. I see, okay, there's the negative space. I have a good amount of space on both sides of my leaf. All right. So now make sure that you place it with the greener side up, the veiny side down. That's where you get the best textures. And I've found you could use a rolling pin if you have access to one, but that spoon in our toolkit is probably the most effective at pressing the clay, trying to make sure the leaf doesn't move, and you're going to press it into the clay. Put in a good amount of pressure. You don't want to push it through your clay, but enough that you're really going to get a nice impression of the veins and all the different little subtle designs in the leaf. All right. Now, if you happen to have like a really sharp knife at home, this would be the best tool for this. If not, you can use your needle tool. And I'm just going to create a shape. I'm not going to go right to the edges of my leaf, but I'm going to leave a little border about a 1/4 inch. Lift up my stem for this part. And I'm just trying to create a little border around the shape of my leaf. Now, like I said, if you have a really clean, sharp tool, this was a good one that you can use to clean up the edges of your clay, or you can go right to the edge of your leaf is an option. But if not, you can use this one. And if you drag and pull, oops, I'm out of frame. Let's try that again. If you drag and pull, you get a little bit nicer edge. All right, so now I'm gonna leave my leaf in the clay, and I'm gonna start, peel it up from your surface, make sure it's not getting stuck, and I'm gonna start to pinch up the exterior border that I left on my leaf, and I'm just gonna be making a little dish or tray that can hold jewelry or coins. And so I'm just pinching up those edges to mimic the shape of my leaf. Try to make sure they don't get too thin so they won't be super brittle, breakable. And you're just going to do some shaping. Might come in with your sponge to do your cleanup. Not too much water on it, just enough that I can smooth out my edges. All right. You use your fingers and some water, getting all those little imperfections out. Smoothing out your clay. All right. And then you're going to gently, slowly, carefully peel out your leaf. And hopefully it came out clean. And there you are. You're going to let it dry. You can curve your shape. You have the option. If you want more of a curve to your shape, you can take some saran wrap, put it inside a bowl that has the curved shape that you want. Let it dry inside the bowl and then pull it out when it's dry, and it'll retain that curve. All right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to come back in and really do as much smoothing as you can on that exterior wall until you get a nice, clean form. Here's some other variations. If you have smaller leaves, you could make a circular pinch pot and press it in and repeat. So you could repeat the shape going around, or you could come in, like I said, if you have a sharper tool, you can come right to the edge of your leaf and make your bowl the exact shape of your leaf. All right, hopefully that helps. Good luck.